Hey, what's up guys? In this video we're gonna learn about Alright guys, so in this video we're gonna learn about three-way handshake. So what is a three-way handshake? A three-way handshake is, now you consider this situation in front of you. You have a client over here and the internet is in between and there's a server. You're right here and you wanna download, let's say Counter-Strike from the server. So what is a three-way handshake? Client sends synchronization message to the server. Server sends synchronized message back to the client, which is also an acknowledgement sync act of client sync message. Client sends data and client sends an acknowledgement ACK message to the server. Now what does that mean? I'll explain it to you in a while. Now let us assume that clients want to download Counter-Strike. So client sends, let's say, or put it this way, this client wants to send a message to server, so the message is sent to the server. Okay, now server sends the message back along with the synchronization of the first message. Hey client, I received your first message and here's your next packet of data or stream. And then client sends back the acknowledgement that, hey server, that the message you sent me, I received that. So that's pretty much your three-way handshake. Now let me draw a diagram over here. Let's say this is your host A, this is your host B, or computer A, computer B. Let's say this is client and this is server. Okay, to keep it simple, because we previously discussed client and server terminology. Okay, so this is your client and this is your server. Client sends, this is your client sends synchronization message. Hey, I want Counter-Strike, and then Counter-Strike is sent back along with the synchronization message. Hey client, I received your message that you wanted Counter-Strike. Okay, and then acknowledgement is sent back to the server. Hey server, I received your Counter-Strike, thank you very much. So that is pretty much your concept of three-way handshake. And if there is any video, guys, if there's any errors or mistakes, kindly comment those mistakes down so that I can rectify in my future videos. I try maximum. I'm a bit busy these days and mistakes might occur in videos, but my maximum try is not to have minimal amount of errors. Of course, nobody's 100% perfect. Okay, so I'll see you guys in the next video.